something. Sorry.
Hey, like I said before, it's no longer a secret. The secret is revealed. May the Lord be praised. It all ended in praise. Guys, when your name is blessing and you are equally blessed, no be double blessing be that. Of course it is. So, Blessing Anyiam visited North Carolina all the way from Michigan, guys, and we get to see her. She came visiting a stranger she has never met before. Now wow, all na blessing, right? So here we are. Yes, so here we are, caught up by the joy of seeing each other for the first time. If not be you, you don't go happy. You don't go happy. No, for you. Thank you, YouTube. See, we have Blessing here, all the way from Michigan. It's not easy, right?
I'll share this one.
Our baby is here. Oh my goodness!
Now, give me that. Content creation with the creator, more.
Check guy out. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. Hey, now finally. She did not come alone. She came with some goodie bags. Woohoo! Plenty goodies inside. Oh my goodness! And of course she ate. Woo! Delicious meal now. Hello.
Yeah, I'm eating some delicious, I don't even know what to call this, intercontinental dish at Mmanwanyi's famous kitchen. And she is so good. Like, she's a very good cook. I'm not saying it because I'm here, but that's the truth. And I'm so happy, so privileged. Oh, she said. All the way from Mexico. No, it's not easy. Yeah, I came to see my darling sister. I ate so delicious food. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Let me clear. Yeah, very beautiful. Thank you so much, Umba.
Thank you for coming. Wow. I was like, when you told me that you were coming, I was like, what? You're already here and you didn't let me know?
So
just 2 days. Oh.
Yeah, Chai. Thank you so much.
Thank God you made it.
Ma she's such a chef, a beautiful chef.
Yeah,
so please, you guys, subscribe to Ma's channel. Please. She's very, very good at what she does. She's a good cook, a hairstylist, a fashionista.
Oh my God!
Mom! Oh God!
Thank you so much.
Teardrops. I don't feel like going. But we have to go.
Yeah,
I don't know when next we'll see, but it's a small world, so we can see anything.
Can always see. Maybe we might visit, you know. It's okay. Bye. The Mmanwanyi city glue and everything now. So you guys should go and follow her YouTube channel at Blessing Anyiam. She's one and only Blessing Anyiam, okay? You're gonna love her channel. She does so many contents, food content, live vlog contents and everything. Check out her pregnancy journey, okay? She has more G's for you all. Say Shakara Mama. Mama Ejima original. Okay? So after watching this video, subscribe, like, comment, then you run to her YouTube channel and pay her homage there, okay? Oh my goodness. Mama Ejima original. God is faithful. God is awesome. May his name be praised. It's not easy, guys. The best Christmas gift ever on the Christmas day. Congratulations to Blessing Anyiam and family. Guys, this is our year. The year of unending possibilities and ending God's love. Greatest opportunities for all of us, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Consider subscribing if you are just seeing this video for the first time. Like, share, okay? Have a happy new year. Bye bye.